For this project, I am using 3 5mm single-stranded cotton rope cut about 4 feet long. And I am also going to use just this nice wooden ring. Any ring you have will work. Now our first step is you're just going to want to fold all 3 ropes in half and place them together like this. And we're going to attach them to our rings with a lark's head knot. So we're just bundling them together and sending them over the ring. And then we'll have this loop that's right behind, and we just pull all the ropes through that loop and then pull it tight. And now that they're attached to our ring, we're going to separate the strings into 2 groups of 3. And now we're going to form our chunky Josephine knot. So to do this, we're going to have the side here on the left hang straight down. Then we're going to take this bundle here on the right and we're just going to curl it up so that we have this nice loop. Okay, so it just comes down and curls around and over itself. And as you can see, I placed it over the ropes here on the left, and you're going to want to do this so that you have that group going right down the center of your loop. Then we're going to take that bundle here on the left, we're going to take the ends and curl them around so that it goes over right here, the strings that were on the right. Then we're going to send it under this section right here. So I'm just going to send it under. And now we're kind of going to weave it over, under, and over. So it's going to go under this outer edge of that circle, then under the strings that are hanging down the middle, and then over the edge of the circle on the left. So I'm taking that bundle, sending it over, under the ropes hanging straight down the middle, and then back over the ring. So it's just over, under, and then over. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to gently pull on these ropes to pull them through. And since we have a big bundle of ropes, you're just going to have to be patient with yourself and kind of place everything where you want it, okay? So don't get frustrated if it doesn't turn out perfect right away. It's going to take a little bit of adjusting since we're working with so many ropes. But what I'm going to do is kind of place it up so it's directly below my lark's head knot. And I'm just playing around with the ropes, gently pulling everything to place. And it's gonna look a little messy until I start to shape it really well. And there's what mine looks like, a little cleaned up, and you guys can leave a little bit of a gap between your lark's head knot or push it all the way up. It's a personal preference. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one smaller Josephine knot right below, this time using just 4 ropes. So I'm going to leave off the 2 here on the end and create another Josephine knot with these 2. So we're going to do the same process. Leave the side here on the left hanging straight down. Then I take the 2 ropes on the right to twist up so we have a loop. Then I take these 2 strings to go over, behind, then working on the little loop section, it goes over, under, and over. So over, then under the 2 that hang through the center of our loop, and then back over the edge of the loop. And I just pull, and I'm gonna try to make sure these sides are even, and then I just adjust to make it look as nice as I can. Just like that. And now I'm going to make one even smaller Josephine knot using just 2 ropes. So again, I'll leave off the 2 here on the edge, and then I will make my Josephine knot with these two. Same process, the side here on the left hangs straight down. I curl the right side around to form a little loop. Then I take the string hanging straight down the middle to send over that edge of the right string, then under up here, over the edge of my loop, behind the string that hangs down the center, and then back over, and I just pull to adjust. Just like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim my ends to make them all even. And actually this is another preference. You can end this by trimming your ends at different lengths, the same length. You could even gather them together to do like a gathering knot. I think I'm going to cut mine evenly across, so I'm actually going to just match my shortest rope, and I'm going to brush out the fringe. Okay, now that I kind of brushed it out, I'm thinking I do want to trim my ends to make them different lengths. So I think I'm going to trim the two that hang down from my big one to come right below my middle one, and then the middle ones to come right below my little one, and then my little one to just hang low. So I'm going to do that, and maybe... And there we go. And this is my finished Josephine knot ornament. Slash, I guess it could be a really cute wall hanging as well. This didn't quite turn out how I originally envisioned. I still like it. I still think it's cute. I'm still not sure if I'm sold on how I ended it. So if you guys recreate this and end it differently, please tag me on Instagram, Gray Wonders, so I can see how you guys ended it if you do something differently. That would be really great. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I liked it better when it was all one length. I'm not sure. Maybe I should have gathered it together, because I think if these... Maybe I'll go back and tuck them in or something and hide them. What do you guys think? Hidden? Or did you like them kind of poking out? I'm curious on your thoughts, guys. Leave me a comment so I can know how you would end this. Really curious about that. I still like it. This is one of my favorite knots. It's a little more intermediate, advanced, not too hard once you get the hang of it, but starting out I know it can be a little tricky, so just be patient with yourself because you guys can do it. I know you can. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful and inspiring, and just, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Also, before I go, I just want to say this was my 12th Christmas tutorial. So I reached my goal of making you guys 12 videos. Yay! So if you have missed any of them, I will leave a link to the playlist of the Christmas videos for you all to enjoy. And I will see you next time with a non-Christmas related tutorial for those who are sick of it. But honestly, how can you be sick of Christmas videos in December? I will never understand that. But yeah. Bye guys.